Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, the pharmaceutical career consultancy by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. What is pre-call analysis? Before visiting doctors, pre-call analysis of those doctors are essential for every medical representative. What is to be done during pre-call analysis of doctors? Those doctors who are related with my promotional products, their name, specialty, address, visiting time. What product to be discussed with which doctor and how many sample units of what product to be given. According to that, arrange the detailing bag. Revise the promotional strategy of the product by the company for that selected doctors. What is post-call analysis? After visiting a doctor, post-call analysis is essential for every medical representative. A particular doctor is prescribing the product or not? If the doctor is prescribing, then how many prescriptions in a week? Competitors' activities towards that doctor till today. If the doctor is not prescribing the product, then find out the reason from attendant or compounder and nearest retailer. Do the promotional planning accordingly and inform your area sales manager. What is post-pion call? Post-pion call to a doctor means without interaction and discussion, just giving samples, LBLs and promotional materials to the doctor. Being a medical representative, I shall never do such type of post-pion call to any doctor and not to report the doctor's name and address on that day in my DCR. Visit and report that doctor on a separate day and time when the doctor is free for interaction and discussion about the product. How to prepare standard doctors list? In a standard doctors list of the territory, all doctors' name, type of practice and potentiality must be related with promotional products. In addition to those specific specialist doctors, all general practitioners should be in standard doctors list. How many doctors should be there in a standard doctors list? There are 25 working days in a month. Every day a medical representative have to visit minimum 10 doctors. So in a month there will be 25 into 10 equals to 250 visits. Medical representative have to visit every doctor twice in a month. So in the standard doctors list, the number of doctors should be 125. Different companies have different daily call average norms and visit frequency of doctors. According to that, total number of doctors may vary company to company. How to prepare stock and sales statement? The equation is opening stock plus primary sales minus closing stock equals to secondary sales. Opening stock, quantity of products available in a stockist on day 1 of a month. Primary sales, stock received from company by the stockist throughout the month. Closing stock, stock available at stockist front on the last day of a month. Secondary sales, total sales done in the month by the stockist. Retailers are the friend, philosopher and guide to every medical representative. State your opinion about this. Friendship with retailer plays a pivotal role in product availability in the market. So, retailers are the friend of every medical representative. From retailers, every medical representative collect information about doctors who are prescribing and who are not prescribing the product. This is a philosophical information by the retailer. So every retailer is a philosopher to a medical representative. Medical representative collect information about competitor products, prescribing doctors and reason for prescribing of that product. According to that information, a medical representative plan to generate prescription with the guidance of retailers. So every retailer is a guide to the medical representative. How and when a doctor will prescribe? Doctor will prescribe the product after detailing when interaction and discussion about the product has been done with the medical representative. 95% chance of prescription will be there. So every medical representative should concentrate about interaction and discussion of the product to achieve good sale outcome rather than only thinking about call average. Remarkable incident of your life. Many remarkable incidents are there in my life. I think the most remarkable incident of my life is facing this interview today. Because till yesterday I was an unemployed young graduate. Today, after successful interview, I am going to receive the appointment letter and I will become an employed medical representative. So, this is the most remarkable incident of my life. You are not a science or pharmacy graduate, then why do you want to be a medical representative? Yes, I am not a science or pharmacy graduate, but still I have studied marketing and 10 important human systems to be a medical representative. So you can ask me any question regarding that. If I am able to give you proper answer of your questions related to marketing and human systems, then I think you have no problem to select me as your medical representative. If I am unable to answer your questions, then please don't select me as your medical representative. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.